Does this look like Catherine? Does it really? I don't know. Power Ranger CEO. CEO Ranger 1, pink. CEO Ranger 2, yellow. I don't know if it looks like Catherine, but 1996. It's a real old toy, but yeah, looks like Catherine, but is it Catherine? I don't know. Maybe. It does look like Catherine, and it don't look like Catherine, but anyways, I don't know, man. What do you think about the Pink Ranger and Zeo? Pretty good stuff, but this is Catherine. I don't know, guys. Maybe it is. Looks like Catherine. Acts like it's a 1996 toy, Automorphle. But the original Mighty Morphin Power Ranger Automorphers were way better toys, actually. But this thing's got a few problems with it, but Moore's pretty good. Is it in good shape? This dent might heal. I don't know, man, how old this is, but it's a pretty nice figure. But you know, man. Anyways, comment and subscribe to this channel on Ultimate Collection videos. See if you like this toy. Subscribe for more of this toy. This is the Zeo Pink Ranger signing out. Is doing Ultimate Collection videos. Good night, guys. This has been the Friday show. And comment and subscribe. And down below, please do that. Please check my videos out on YouTube everywhere today. And Ultimate Collection videos. The Pink Ranger signing out. Dylan's Ultimate videos are signing out. And please comment down and subscribe to this video. And check it out tonight. So, what the power protects you. Power Ranger CEO. Catherine signing out.